Okay, we are on day 53. This is part 4 of the same chapter. Question number 15. At a point on level ground, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is pi by 12. On walking 192 meters towards the tower, the tangent of the angle is found to be 3 by 4. Find the height of the tower. It says at a point on level ground, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower. So there is a vertical tower. So the vertical tower is AB. And this is level ground. If you notice, there are no angles which are given. It only says the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent value is pi by 12. Tan value of whatever angle is there gives you a fraction which is pi by 12. And on walking 192 meters towards the tower, again the tangent of the angle, tan of whatever angle is made, is found to be 3 by 4. So find the height of the tower. So this is going to be the tower and this is ground level, and if you notice this, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. Okay. So right now you are here at this point. This is the tower. You are here. The angle made here I am assuming to be alpha. This angle is not known, therefore the angle is alpha. And it says its tangent is 5 by 12, which means tan of whatever angle is here is 5 by 12. So angle here is alpha, so tan alpha is 5 by 12. On walking 192 meters towards the tower, this is the tower, you are here, you are walking towards the tower. 192 meters you walked, you reached this point. So that distance is 192 meters. Now the tangent of the angle is found to be 3 by 4. Again, this angle is not known. So I have assumed that as beta. The angle, tangent of this angle is found to be 3 by 4, which means tan beta is 3 by 4. Okay. Both these are known. Tan alpha is 5 by 12, tan beta is 3 by 4. Okay. These you will have to use in the calculation. Okay. So that's the diagram. This distance is known, 192 meters. Question is find the height of the tower. Height of the tower means you are going to find AB. Now, let's take the first triangle. Triangle ABC is the first triangle. In triangle ABC, tan of angle there is beta. Tan beta is equal to perpendicular is AB by base is BC. Tan beta's value is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to AB is not known, BC is also not known. So AB by BC. But the question is you have to find height of the tower, that's AB. Therefore don't find AB from the first triangle. Find the other side, that is BC. So shift BC this side, BC is come here. Take these numbers to the other side. So 4 goes here, that's 4AB, and 3 goes down. That's 4AB by 3. That's from the first triangle. Okay. This is from the first triangle. You got a relationship. Okay. Use the second triangle. ABD is the second triangle. So, in triangle ABD, if you look at the triangle, triangle ABD, angle is alpha. Okay. And tan alpha's value is 5 by 12. Okay. So, tan alpha is equal to perpendicular is AB by base is BD. So, tan alpha's value as I told you is 5 by 12 is equal to AB remains the same. That's what you're going to find. Divided by BD can be written as BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Now, 5 by 12 is equal to AB remains the same. Divided by BC's value is 4AB by 3. 4AB by 3 plus CD's value is 192. Okay. Now to simplify this, I found LCM of the denominator here. LCM is 3. 4AB remains same plus 192 into 3 is 576. Okay. Everything else remains the same. Now this 3 which is in the denominator goes to the numerator. This becomes 3AB. Okay. So our next step is 5 by 12 is equal to 3 goes up, 3AB by 4AB plus 576. So that's what is here. 5 by 12 is equal to 3AB by 4AB plus 576. Now cross multiply. 5 into 4AB is 20AB plus 5 into 576 is 2880 is equal to 12 into 3AB is 36AB. There is an AB term here, shift this that side. So that's 2880 is equal to 36AB minus 20AB, which is 16AB. Shift the 16 to the left side, that's 2880 divided by 16 is equal to AB. If you simplify this, you will get 180 meter, that's the value of AB. Question was to find the height of the tower, that is AB, therefore the height of the tower is 180 meter. That's the first question. Next. Question 36. In the figure not drawn to scale, TF is a tower. This figure was already given. In the figure not drawn to scale, TF is a tower. TF is a tower. This one. The elevation of T from A is x degrees. The elevation of T from point A. So point A is here. From here, if you look at T, the elevation is x degrees, where tan x is equal to 2 by 5. That's what I have written here. Tan x is equal to 2 by 5. And AF is equal to 200 meters. This whole length AF is 200 meters. The elevation of T from B, this B, from here, if you look at T, the angle of elevation, the elevation of T from B, where AB is equal to 80, AB's length is 80, the whole length was 200, that much is 80, which means the remaining length is 120. 200 minus 80 will give you the 120. Okay. Is y degrees, the elevation is y degrees. Calculate. Number one, the height of the tower, TF. You will find this one, TF, the height of the tower. And second question is the angle y, that is this one, correct to the nearest degree. Let's do the first part. The first part is to find the height of the tower, TF. So I'm going to use triangle TFA, this one. Okay. Now, in triangle TFA, tan of the angle here is x degrees is equal to perpendicular is TF by base is FA. Tan x was 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is equal to TF is what you are going to find. So TF divided by FA is 200. If you simplify this, okay, you can cancel 5 and 200, okay, and then multiply this here, you will get 80 meter is the value of TF. The first question is answered. The height of the tower TF is 80 meter. You got this one. For the second part, you will find the angle y correct to the nearest degree. For that, I am going to use the other triangle. The other triangle is TFB, where the y is present. Okay. So in triangle TFB, tan of y is equal to perpendicular is TF by base is FB. Tan y is equal to TF is 80, that's what we found just now. TF is 80 divided by FB's length is 120. If you simplify this, the zeros are gone. That's twice, thrice. But tan y is equal to 2 by 3. If you divide 2 by 3 as a decimal, tan y is 0. You will get 6666. It will continue. I have kept only 4 places of decimal to look at the table, so it is 0.666 rounded off 7. Okay. If you look at the lesson which we did on day 51, I have shown you how to read the table and find the angle. Okay. Please check that. You will get y's value is 33 degrees and 41 minutes. But it says give your answer correct to the nearest degree. So which means no minutes. 41 minutes is closer to 1 degree. Therefore, add 1 degree to this. Y is equal to 34 degrees. So angle y correct to the nearest degree is 34 degrees. Okay. Next question. Question 40. A man on the top of a tower observes a truck at an angle of depression alpha. where tan alpha's value is 1 by root 5 and sees that it is moving towards the base of the truck. 10 minutes later, the angle of depression of the truck is found to be beta, where tan beta is root 5. Assuming that the truck moves at a uniform speed, determine how much more time it will take to reach the base of the tower. Just a man on the top of a tower observes a truck at an angle of depression alpha. This is the tower. AB is the tower. A man is here. He observes the truck. The truck is at D. And he sees that the angle of depression is alpha. I mark this as angle of elevation because it's same. Okay. That's alpha is the angle where tan alpha is 1 by root 5 that I've written. Tan alpha is 1 by root 5. And sees that it is moving towards the base of the tower. This is the truck. It is moving towards the base of the tower. This is the base of the tower. It's coming this way. Towards the base of the tower. 10 minutes later, the angle of depression of the truck is found to be beta. So it was here originally. It is moving towards the base of the tower. 10 minutes after. From here to here, the time taken is 10 minutes. The truck has reached this point. Now the angle of depression is found to be beta. Okay. Where tan beta is root 5. That also I have written. Tan beta is root 5. Assuming that the truck moves at a uniform speed, determine how much more time it will take to reach the base of the tower. From here to here it took 10 minutes. Now it's reached this point. How long will it take to cover this distance? The time taken for this is what you are finding. What I have done is I have changed the minutes to seconds. So 10 into 60, that gives you in seconds, that's 600 seconds is the time taken from here to here. Okay. But you have to find time taken from C to B. Now to the calculation. The first triangle is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle is beta. Tan beta is equal to AB by BC. Tan beta's value is root 5 is equal to AB by BC. The actual thing is you are going to find time taken from B to C or C to B. Because you are going to find BC, find AB from the first calculation. So AB is equal to BC gets multiplied here. BC root 5. Okay. That's from the first triangle. Now with the second one. Second triangle is triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan of alpha is equal to AB is the height by BD is the base. Tan alpha's value was also given 1 by root 5 is equal to AB by BD can be written as BC plus CD. 1 by root 5 is equal to AB changes. AB is BC root 5. So instead of AB, BC root 5 divided by BC plus 600. Okay. Next step is multiply BC plus 600 this side and multiply this root 5 that side. So BC plus 600 into 1 is BC plus 600 and root 5 into root 5 will give you 5 BC. So that's our next step. Next step is BC plus 600 is equal to 5 BC. Shift this BC that side. 600 is equal to 5 BC minus BC, which will give you 4 BC. Bring the 4 this side. 600 divided by 4 is BC. This will give you 150 seconds is equal to BC. Again, to change this to minutes, 150 was in seconds. So I'm going to divide 150 by 60 to change it to minutes. 2 times 120. 30 is what is left. 2 is in minutes and 30 is in seconds. So the time taken is 2 minutes and 30 seconds is the time taken to cover B to C. So time taken by the truck to reach the base of the tower is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And your homework for today is exercise 22, question numbers 41, 50 and 52.